Located in the prestigious Southpoint Sugarloaf Key neighborhood, you will find homes built for ultimate water views. The entrance of 16842 East Point greets you with a custom solar gate offering security and privacy, a canopy of lush landscape, rare garage space, and ample parking on the custom paver driveway. Situated on more than 1/3 of an acre, this private family home has been affectionately called a fisherman's paradise, with outstanding bay views, 110-foot seawall, 10,000-pound boat lift, direct access to the ocean and the Gulf in minutes. This sturdy CBS-constructed home offers a rare opportunity to have an interior stairway to the main living area, with an adjacent entrance to the garage. Taking center stage at this 2,800-square-foot, 5-bedroom, 4-bath home is an expansive floor plan with windows to the azure waters of the bay. Private master bedroom suite, spacious laundry and guest suite, along with screened porches, afford comfort and room for guests to find their own special space. Newly renovated kitchen with custom cabinetry, beautiful metallic carbon appliances, granite countertops, wine cooler, and cozy banquette fulfill a chef's dream. Entertaining is easy and fun in the fabulous outdoor screened dining room with built-in grill. Main floor accommodation offers 3 additional guest rooms and 2 baths, as well as a family room to gather for fish stories. Plenty of storage space for your fishing gear or water toys. Last but not least, you will spend endless hours sitting near the water on dolphin watch, swimming, lobstering, or stepping onto your boat for a day on the sea. The crystal blue waters of this bay are perfect for swimming, kayaking, and exploring to your heart's content.